More family fun and frolics tonight at 8 p.m. on The Benny Hill Show. But first, it's our friendly Thamesmen.
Hello, George.
Hello, good morning to you.
Good evening, Internet. My name is Alex, and I am in Colorado.
I'm George, I'm in Los Angeles. You know, we are the Thamesmen. We are the home of bad choices and long stories. Is that right?
And yeah, long stories, long wibbles, and bad choices. And today I'm picking a track. Talk about bad choices. Our crowd will not like this, and I'm going to take you a place where you don't normally go either.
Okay, all right. Now, is this going to equal Mason Jennings in numbers of views?
Yes. Yes. And it will. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mason Jennings, George's choice is still. Is it hit double digits? Yeah.
I'd probably not. It's still, and I still keep promoting it. And it was like one of our earliest videos where we didn't have backdrops or we didn't have cameras or anything, and still no one will watch it. It's like I'm hoping it'll go viral one day because it was,
This guy, I can't even pronounce his name.
So we're going to do an artist. You can't even say his name, and
he's a DJ.
Tell me more.
Our crowd are into rock and rock. Right. And a bit of rap and a bit of whatever, but they're not into a boiler room set, and especially in Tokyo. So a boiler room set, right? First of all, it's a DJ, right? Ladies and gentlemen, get over that. Okay. And this guy, he's Japanese, and he did a boiler room set. And a boiler room set is where you put the DJ in the crowd. And they say today that the hardest crowd there is out there, the Japanese at the moment. They're back to, in America, they got these huge, DJs, and everyone's got their phones in it. Nah, this guy, he had brain cancer, and then he got over that, and he went into DJing, and he has this eclectic mix of music that he puts together. And he's all over the place. I can't even pronounce his goddamn name, but I saw the boiler room set of this, and I was absolutely freaking blown away to the point that I had to show you. And we've just got a small segment of it. So I've got some notes. So if you're into cutting edge electronic beats, live performance that completely shatter your expectations, you're in for the treat, and we're driving into one of the most electrifying boiler room sets today. I can't even say his name. Insane performance. This guy's absolutely tearing up the underground scene right now for good reason. Okay, so I saw this and I downloaded it, and it came out a month ago. It's already have 5 million views on it, on this guy, and it's just insane. So you're not gonna like it to begin with, but just check the crowd out, check the music style he's doing. It's about 6 minutes long. We'll just take one small segment and then chat about it at the end.
Perfect. All right, I look forward to this. Is this going to trigger memories of the days gone by? Is it?
This will make you want to go back to the days gone by, and I wish we had DJs like this when we were doing days gone by.
Okay. All right. I'm ready when you are.
All right. I'm sorry, Rick Fairman. There is no guitar solo, and for all those crowd, just bear with it. See the music he's mixing in. Check the crowd out, and give it a chance. All right.
All right, okay. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, boom.
Right.
fantastic.
Man, I'm addicted to that Boiler Room set. The whole set is that good.
That is amazing. That is like it is so clever what they do, those DJs, really, you know? And there will be people out there who'll go, look, they're just playing a USB stick and they press a button and they do all this stuff. And I will argue to the cows come out. These guys and girls, they have such a feeling of rhythm and musical sort of, I don't know, just tempos and styles and triggering so many things. I think it's fantastic.
That was live. I mean, you saw him put their headphones on, and
for sure.
He dropped that in live, and I mean, like, yeah. They're not making. You fucking go out and get a room to that level. But also, I tell you what, just checking out that set. I mean, where he was in the middle. I mean, I only saw one phone. They were just in there, that crowd.
It must have been an electric environment, you know?
Absolutely. And back, you think back to, when we were younger, you go to a great gig, you're living in that moment. They were living in that absolute moment.
Yeah.
But the whole set he does, he starts off with Godzilla noise. And then he just goes and he's mixing rock and he's mixing Latin. It's just fucking great.
I think the moment I realised what the power of a DJ, I think I was with you. It was at WOMAD in Reading that night. Where was it? And it was the interior room, and it was Paul Oakenfold on 3 decks. And he was the master of the 3-decker. He was started out, and he did a set, and it was life changing, absolutely unfreaking believable night. And I think you will remember nights like these every time, sort of thing.
Well, that guy literally just broke the internet with that drop he did with that mix. It was just, I had to show you it. A normal crowd will hate it. Yeah. If you went with it, you're probably as excited as us. That was great.
and you can try and find him, but we don't know what his name is, or we can't pronounce it. So there you go.
I can spell it.
Well, it'll be in the title below, won't it?
Yeah.
We'll cut and paste it in. That'll be his name. So yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'm off to probably pull some shapes in the drop a bell.
Go and hug someone, and
and go pull some shapes in the kitchen.
All right, drink a lot of water, hug people, and
absolutely. All right, I'll see you on the flip side.
I'll see you on the flip side. Bye.